Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial on WP Blogger YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to install WordPress on Cpanel. Cpanel is the most popular dashboard or control dashboard most web hosting companies use. As such, many beginners want to be familiar with Cpanel and how they can install WordPress easily as a beginner. This tutorial is for you if you want to learn how to install WordPress on Cpanel. Before we get into the details of this video, if you are new to this channel, please click on the subscribe button and enable the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I release one of my awesome videos. You can leave all your suggestions and your questions inside the comment box below. At the end of this video, smash the like button, give this video the like, and also share it with your friends so that they can also find this amazing video. Now let's get into today's video. Like I said, we are going to use Cpanel, and I'm currently on the login page of my Cpanel account. When you buy a new hosting account, your URL or the link to your login would be provided to you. Now it comes with a username and a password. So I'm currently I'm currently on the login page of my Cpanel. I've entered my username here and my password here. Once you log in, it will take you to this page. This is the main dashboard. Before we install WordPress, there's one thing you need to know. If you don't have your domain name already added to your Cpanel account, come to the add-on domains. That is, scroll down here. Now it's here. I'm coming. Come to add-on domains. It will bring you to this page and enter your domain and click on add domain to add it to your Cpanel account. Now every hosting comes with DNS. The domain we will be using for this training is keto-diet-recipes.top. So go inside your registrar, your domain registrar. I use NameSilo. You might be using GoDaddy or Namecheap. Go inside, click on your domain, change the DNS, and make sure you are pointing it to your hosting account. Like you can see here, my name server 1 and 2 are all pointing to my Namecheap hosting here. So you click submit. Once you've submitted your domain name inside your add-on domains, you can now come here to install WordPress. So inside the main dashboard of your Cpanel, scroll down here to the software area. You will see WordPress here. Just click on it and it will take you to this page. Once you are on this page, select your domain like I've done here and select the extension you want. It is advisable to always go for HTTPS. Some want the www subdomain. Some also don't want it. Just select one you want. But www is more popular, so I'll just select it. This is a version of WordPress. There's no need to change it. Let's leave it like that. Now let's give our domain. Let's come to the site settings and select our site name. I'll click on Keto Diet Recipes. Our site description, top keto diet recipes right here. For the admin name, I'll go for KRT keto KD keto diet recipe stop, KDRT. Yeah. For the admin password, don't select a password you can easily remember. So always use the password generator and just generate any password. I'll even randomly add 1 or 2 stuff to it and just copy this password. Add your email address here. Let's select the language. By default, it's at English. Select your preferred language, but I'll select English here. And we have limit login attempt, which helps protect your site from brute force attack. So let's leave it checked. I also like to use classic editor, so I'll also check this one. Now the next step is to go into the advanced options. Okay, so we have our database name here. We have our table prefix. Auto upgrade WordPress plugins, yes. Let's take it. Auto upgrade WordPress themes, yes. Okay, so for WordPress as a content management system, do we want WordPress to automatically be upgraded? That is, we are currently installing 5.8. For example, when the 5.9 comes out, do we want it to automatically upgrade? I believe so. So I also select this one. But you can choose do not auto upgrade if you want to manually upgrade your WordPress versions. For backups, it's necessary so that you don't lose your files. So I will select once a week here. For themes, you can install one or leave it for it to install the default theme. And once we've checked that everything is okay, we can click install here. So let's just go back, make sure that everything is correct. In the directory, if you don't want to install WordPress in a subdirectory or a subfolder, leave here blank. Don't add anything here, leave it blank. I have a detailed video on how to install WordPress in a subfolder or in a subdirectory. You can check that video. Go through, make sure that everything is correct. Like I said, don't use a password you can remember. Just enter it here, copy it so that we'll use it to log in. Go through, make sure everything is okay. Once you are okay with everything, click install. So I'm going to click on the install and I'll pause this video. Once installation is complete, we will come back, log into our site, make sure that everything is working fine. Then we come to the end of this video. Our installation has finished successfully. So this is how to install WordPress on cPanel or through cPanel. If you have a hosting account that is using this default cPanel, this is how you go through to install WordPress. Now let's try and log into our WordPress account. It has given us our front end URL and the back end URL. I'll click on the back end, that is the admin dashboard URL right here. It will automatically log us into our dashboard, but that's not what we want. So let me just log out. That is why I said copy the password. Let's copy the password. So the username was KDRT. Then the password we copied. Click on remember me if it's your own computer. And now click on login. Let Chrome browser remember the password for easy login anytime we want to come back to our site. So guys, this is how easy it is to install WordPress on cPanel. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment box below or do well to answer all your questions. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and click the like button and share this video with your friends. Until I come your way with another awesome video, it's bye bye from WP Blogger.